Are you encountering the error unable to check for update on your device? This video explores potential causes and provides solutions to address the error. iOS unable to check for update. How to fix iPhone or iPad unable to check for update. Solution 1. Update via iTunes. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer and open iTunes. Select your device, go to Summary, click Check for Update, and choose Download and Update. Enter passcode if prompted. Solution 2. Change the Wi-Fi DNS setting. In iPhone settings, tap Wi-Fi, choose your network, go to DNS, enter new DNS, like Google's 8.8.8.8.4.4. Update your system from Check Update page. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to your device settings, choose the option General and scroll down. Tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Confirm the network resetting process by entering your device passcode. Solution 4. Force restart the iDevice. Press and hold on or off and home buttons until screen turns on, then release. Apple logo appears. Device restarts. Check for iOS update in Settings General Software Update. Solution 5. Delete iOS 17 beta version profile. Go to Settings and then General. Tap on VPN and Device Management. Under Configuration Profile, tap iOS Beta Software Profile. Select Remove Profile. This will delete the beta update profile. Solution 6. Restart your iDevice. Long press the sleep or wake button until the slide power off option disappears from your device's screen. Then, slide the slider to turn it off. After waiting a few seconds, press and hold the sleep or wake button once more to restart your device. Part 2. Still unable to check for update on iPhone or iPad? Try the ultimate way. iOS System Recovery is a comprehensive, reliable solution for many iOS system issues. It focuses on resolving the common problem of iPhones getting stuck during updates.